viewers from Dussel, York City Studios. My name's Ken Schinderberry, and today we're going to be talking about tech that can empower your creativity. But before we do so, make sure you hit subscribe and click like, because that's very important. Now, I am a marketing and PR professional. In fact, I even teach it. I also am a digital artist. Wow, who would have thought? I have been an influencer for Adobe since 2013, and I've been using Photoshop since 1994. Oh my God, I'm dating myself. But who knows? Maybe I was using Photoshop as a baby. Huh, who knows? But I stream live on Behance every week for the Adobe Education Leaders Program. Needless to say, I like creative tech that will empower me and also allow me to have a more efficient workflow. Now, I use a lot of tablets. I think tablets are the greatest. It's great for digital artists, and you can't live without one. In fact, I have my XP Pen Artist 24 Pro display right here, and I love it. In fact, it is an extension of my soul. Now, this is a big bad boy. In fact, it's my baby, and I'm definitely not gonna be able to carry this baby around because it weighs a lot and it's just not portable. But what if I were to tell you that XP Pen offers up a lot of solutions that are portable that you could carry around with you, whether it be to the campus, whether to the coffee shop, whether it be to the office or to the Irish pub. Hey, there's always a time to go to the Irish pub and draw and create artwork. Let me tell you. Now, all jokes aside, I am about to show you guys a tablet that I think is really amazing, and it is the XP Pen Deco LW pen tablet. Now, this is a really cool bad boy in itself. In fact, as you can see, it's pretty light and not so big, easily stuffed into your bag with the grace and ease. You can take it anywhere. Now, it comes in different colors: pink, green, blue, and black. Now, I bet you're wondering what color is inside there, Ken. What color did you choose? You're gonna find out in just a couple seconds. Be patient. Now, I like this because it's 10 inches by 6. So again, it's very, very small. Not small. They do have other tablets that are smaller. In fact, I will talk about one in another video. It's got 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. So this is perfect for beginners or for professionals. Any stage that you're at, this is a good tablet. The pen has a 60-degree tilt, and that is really cool. Now, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and check it out. Just gonna pop this open right here, and I'm just gonna set the box down for right now. We have the tablet. In fact, ooh, look, there's Phoenix, the little XP Pen. Where's he at? Right there. The XP Pen mascot right there. And I love it. I love this little guy. He's so cute. Now, we are going to open up this tablet right here and see what color I got. Like I said, I know what color it is, but just for you guys will have to be waiting for the suspense. Okay, all right. It is the blue tablet right here. Check out that. This is really nice, and I have to say it is really lightweight. I'm going to set the plastic down right there because I don't need it anymore. But look at this, and look how thin that is. Guys, this is very, very portable. In fact, it is super, super nice. And I do like it because it does have a little rubber around the edges, so if you drop it or bang it up, it's gonna be okay. It's durable. The other cool thing is it has little rubber on the corners, so it won't move once you set it down. It's not gonna move around. That is great. Another cool thing about this is not only does it work for right-handed people, but you can flip it upside down, and it works for left-handed artists as well. I have a lot of friends that are not right-handed, that are left-handed, and this is always one of their concerns, that they can use it as well too. So this is really nice. I love the blue color. It is really cool. Now let's look and see what else is in the box right here, because we have a few things. Now, I am writing an article on Medium that will go into everything in depth. So this is not a review, it's just an unboxing, but I will share the link down below once it's published. Okay, so here is the stylus. Now the stylus is pretty nice, and it's very, very, very durable. In fact, it uses the X3 chip technology in there. And the cool thing is, it doesn't really have a lot of push right there, so it is very, very easy to use. It has 2 buttons right there that are programmable and customizable. And if you've used the XP app on your desktop before for other XP devices, same setup, guys. Pretty easy to get started. But I really like this. This is a really nice pen. Just so you can see, we need some angel music right there. But really nice. Now, also, this is the tablet is powered by Bluetooth, so you do not need a cable. However, it does come with a cable. Ooh, goodness gracious. Let's see how we open this up without spilling everything on the floor. We'll pull out the books first. So we have the quick start guide right there. And another quick start guide and the warranty policy right there. Very important to have, I think. But if you do want to plug it in, XP Pen does have you taken care of. They have the cord right here. Now, guys, what I love about this is it's got an L-shaped cord. I always hate having, you know, like something like this sticking out of a tablet. I love when I have devices with this L shape. It just makes life so easier, more comfortable, and I'm not gonna bang things up. So I have this right here. This is the cable in case you want to use the cable. So if you want to go wireless, all you have to do is plug this little dongle into your device, and the Bluetooth is enabled. So once you have the drivers installed and you have everything set up, you can use yours with this. Now, the device itself is USB-C to regular standard USB. Now, I also love that XP Pen does take care of you. So let's say you're using a Mac or another device right here. Look, you have a USB-C dongle right there in the box. Normally, some companies charge you for these kind of things. So it's nice to have this included. XP Pen really takes care of their creatives. Let me tell you, I've had a couple products from XP Pen, and it always surprises me what they put in there and how much they really love and support you and don't want you to buy extra things. It all comes with everything. And guys, guess what? It does work with Android. So there is the Android adapter right there that you can plug into your Android device. So if you want to use with your smartphone, boom, bada bing, bada bang, or your Android tablet right there, you can. So hey, if you want to use a Mac, if you really want to use a Mac, but if you want to use Android or you just want to use your computer, XP Pen has taken care of you. You don't have to worry about things. I love that they really, I'm going to put these back in here because my luck, I'll lose them. We're going to stick that back in here. You have your nibs right there, and I think it comes with 10 extra nibs, which is pretty nice. Now, I do wish that this would have came in a more safe storage space, but really, guys, I very rarely had to change nibs. And here is your nib changer right there, your little ring, so you can just pull the old nib out and put the new one in. Really easy to use. I do wish there was a better storage. So this is the tablet, man. It's that simple. It's that basic. It's that cool. Basic. I shouldn't say basic, but you know, it's that powerful. It's powerful in a tiny little thing, and I love it. I think this is really nice. Now, again, this is something that I think is really cool. It's going to be part of my arsenal for my creativity. And again, I will place that link for Medium to the article in the description. So guys, make sure you check that out, and check out some of my other videos here on YouTube as well too, or on Instagram or TikTok, wherever you find this video at. But this is a really cool device. So I'm really happy that I have that. Thank you, XP Pen, for sending that device to me. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. In fact, I am going to teach some of my students how to use this on a special one-on-one session, well, group session, I guess I should say, because we had the first place team from the DCI Inspiration Jam, and I have promised them that I would teach them how to use their XP Pen Deco LW tablets. So I'm going to teach them how to use that in Adobe software, because they won 12 months to the Creative Cloud for Adobe, and that's cool. So I'm going to teach them how to use Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and maybe do a little video editing, all on the XP Pen Deco LW tablet. So one last look right there, the blue one. I love the colors. I would have went with pink too. I think pink, hey man, pink is the new black, guys. But I like the blue. I think the blue is really cool. It looks really nice. And hey, matches my shirt, right? So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you check out the article on Medium. Make sure you give me a follow on Instagram as well too. And we will catch you guys on the flip side. And as always, happy creating.